There's our birthday girl. Had her birthday. So let's see. So the Echo people were super nice. I was worried that we might not be able to have any sparkles because the animals, they don't like to eat sparkles. But the lady said that we could have some sparkles. Isn't that nice? Looks so fancy for your birthday. Can you close your eyes for your sparkles, honey? Good girl. Pretty. Pretty. I wonder if the new Frozen movie is good. Do you think it's good?
Oh, thank you so much.
So pretty. Can you close eyes, lovey? Don't open. Oh, pretty. Oh, so pretty. Let's see here. So you had so much fun today. Did you get to see the new Elsa movie yet? I didn't get to see it yet either. I'm a little nervous to see it because I love the first movie so much, right? It's kind of like, right? Makes you nervous. They're so pretty. You want to see it so far? Let's see it so far. So far. We gotta still go some more though, right? We need our snowflakes, right? Let's see. You know, I want to do the snowflakes a different way. Let's do our eyeshadow. We're kind of lucky that it's not like a big snowstorm or something, right? It's just kind of like a nice normal day, huh? Can you close your eyes, babe? As soon as this is on, I'm gonna dry it, honey, so just don't open. Okay, you can dry it. Girl, other side, baby. Boop. Good job. Oh, that is super pretty. Want to see that part? So far. So fancy, right? So pretty. Your cake is so pretty, isn't it? You love it? The Echo people were super nice. They let me come in early. So we could have more time. Oh, it looks so pretty. Yeah.
got your sister there.
Is it our sister? She's awake. Hi, birthday girl. Hi, birthday girl.
Is that your sister
How's
there?
the baby doing? Wanna see? Okay, we peek. Peek. Okay, we're gonna take a little pause because. Okay, so let's do some face snowflakes. Okay, close your eyes. Don't open. Good girl. Pretty. Another. You want to see what that looks like? Your snowflakes starting to come? They're super pretty. Let's do some right here. Oh yeah, let's do 4 because you're going to be 4, okay? Okay, close eyes, love. Good girl. And one more, Bubba. Oh, so pretty. Let's see how it looks. So pretty. And then we want to do our Elsa snowflake here. Okay, baby? So chin way up. And I'm going to just stick this here. And this one will stay on in the water too. You can take a bath and this snowflake will stay on. Okay, okay, close eyes, love. It's probably cold. It's just face paint that sprays, right? Okay, I'm gonna take that away and show you your snowflake. Pretty, right? Okay. Now, let's change to blue for our arms. Your friends are gonna love this, and I've got some really good ones for, like, if somebody gets, if any of the boys get boy ones, I've got like some superhero sprays, okay, that they might like. Okay. Okay. So let's do princess gloves for a good girl, our birthday girl. Okay, here we go. Okay, Elsa's gloves are blue, so let's make blue, okay? Oh, so cold. I'm making you cold. Other side. Hi, princess. Hi, littlest one. I would normally put a ton of glitter on this, but because you might be putting your hands in that thing where the little sea starfish is, maybe we shouldn't. Maybe when you go home, okay? That's nice to the animals, right? So let's do this. Now we're gonna switch to white and do some snowflakes. Let's see, bumpkin. I want to make sure this gets in the movie for you. Okay, here we go. And other one. Good. And maybe some baby ones. And I just, because I'm stopping with the sprayer for a second, I just have to spray some cleaner through it here. Otherwise it dries inside. You don't want that. Say hi! Because with that thing, if it dries inside, then guess what? It doesn't spray anymore. And I have had that happen. And that is super sad. So now we're going to make it look more like princess gloves, okay? Okay.
Wow.
So pretty, right? And then let's look in here. Let me see. Let's write birthday girl. That way everybody will know, okay?
Wow.
Sissy's got her makeup. Should we be birthday girl, birthday princess, or birthday Elsa? Or just birthday girl? That's probably
Elsa.
birthday Elsa. Everyone's going to be calling you that because you got the Elsa look, right? That's pretty. Let's let that dry. And let's see. Let's leave that skin open just because maybe later we'll put some different, because I've got some super cute animal ones. Okay, presenting Queen Elsa of Arendelle. Look pretty.